Today is pizza day. And so while I was making a simple pepperoni pizza for us, I came up with a recipe to make a pizza for our little baby because she can't have the tomato sauce that's in here. So here we go. I mashed some sweet potatoes and I'm just gonna put it on here. I made the dough with whole wheat, so it's very nutritious. And mashed potatoes is gonna be the base, sweet potatoes. And this is gonna be very wholesome for her, so she doesn't have to beg us. I don't like her when she begs. So sweet potatoes, and then I have grated mozzarella, and a few pieces of carrots. Let's give her some more carrots. She loves carrots. We have some shredded chicken. And I cut up a few pieces of cranberries. These are fresh cranberries. Look at that. Oh, how beautiful is that? Now our baby can enjoy pizza just like we do. Ta-da! Just a few more pieces of cheese. And this pizza is for Princess Isabella. So the oven is heated up to 480 degrees, and we're gonna put it in and cook it for about 15 minutes. And so we're gonna put both of them in, and we will see you when the pizza comes out. Thank you. So here we are, folks. The pizza is ready. Here's the Doggie Pizza for Princess Isabella. It has sweet potatoes and cranberries and cheese and carrots and everything, and it's delicious. But I can't cut it right now because it's too hot. So here's the other pepperoni pizza that I made for us, and that's too hot, so we're not gonna cut it right now. The recipe for the pepperoni pizza is on my channel, and I will be posting this recipe as soon as we get it up and running. Just wanted to quickly show you who is going to be getting that pizza. So here we go. Look, baby. This is Princess Isabella. And this pizza is for her.
Look at her, look at it.
So she can have some pizza too while Mommy and Daddy have pepperoni pizza. Say thank you. Say thank you, everyone. Bye. Okay, here's Princess Bella enjoying her pizza. She takes one bite and she goes off, and then she comes back and takes another bite, but she absolutely loves it. Princess Isabella with sweet potatoes on her pizza and carrots and cranberries. Yeah, baby. She's so cute. She takes one little piece at a time, just like a little girl. Hi, baby. Hi.